Imagine biting into a crisp, juicy piece of fruit, its flavors exploding with every bite. This delightful experience, while pleasing our taste buds, also offers significant health benefits. However, amidst the vast selection of produce at our local markets, there are exotic fruits brimming with nutrients that often go unnoticed. Beyond the popular apples and bananas, there exists a variety of rare fruits, rich in essential nutrients and health advantages, awaiting discovery and enjoyment. Let's delve into these exotic and nutritious hidden gems of the fruit world. Pomegranate, once called the fruit of paradise, isn't just a treat to the eyes with its deep crimson seeds. Its health benefits are monumental. Studies have shown that pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, surpassing most other fruits and even green tea and red wine. These potent antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in the body, a key factor in battling chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. The fruit's juice and seeds also offer anti-inflammatory properties crucial for reducing the risk of cancer and supporting immune health. Moreover, incorporating pomegranate in your diet is not only about drinking its juice. Sprinkling the aerols over salads or yogurt not only enhances the flavors but also boosts your intake of fiber, vitamin C, K, and folate. Papaya, with its sunny disposition and sweet, musky flavor, is more than just a tropical delight. It houses a wealth of nutrients including vitamins A, C, and E, and is particularly renowned for its digestive enzyme, papain. Papain aids in digesting proteins, making papaya an excellent food for improving gut health. Its high content of water and fiber also assists in preventing constipation and promoting a healthy digestive tract. But the benefits don't stop at digestion. Papaya is rich in antioxidants, including carotenoids that can neutralize free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of several diseases. Starfruit, or carambola, may not frequently top shopping lists, but its sweet and tangy taste encapsulates more than just unique flavors. Rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, starfruit supports immune function and can enhance your skin's health. Beyond its skin benefits, studies indicate that starfruit can also have a positive effect on lipid profiles, helping to reduce cholesterol levels. Its high fiber content aids in this process by helping to remove excess cholesterol from the body before it can do harm. Additionally, starfruit is hydrating and low in calories, making it a perfect snack for people looking to maintain a healthy weight without compromising on nutrition. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, with its vibrant pink hues and unique seed-studded flesh, is a visual treat and nutritional powerhouse. This exotic fruit is loaded with vitamin C, B vitamins, and is a rare plant source of iron. Its high level of dietary fibers boosts heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and adding bulk to bowel movements, which helps in regular bowel functionality. Dragon fruit's antioxidant betalains are known for their cancer-fighting abilities and anti-aging effects. Whether in a fruit salad, smoothie, or eaten raw, dragon fruit offers a combination of flavor and health benefits that are hard to match. Kumquat is a small citrus fruit that packs a punch with its edible skin and a tangy flavor that kicks with every bite. Rich in vitamin C, fiber, and essential oils, kumquats are excellent for immune support and maintaining healthy skin. The peel of the kumquat, usually eaten along with the flesh, contains potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. This can be beneficial in preventing the buildup of free radicals and supporting overall health. From candying them to adding them fresh in salads, there are several innovative ways to incorporate kumquats into your diet, ensuring you reap their maximum health benefits. Often overlooked, gooseberries are small fruits that can make a large impact on your health. They are exceptionally high in vitamin C, dietary fiber, and contain beneficial antioxidants. Gooseberries have an impressive nutrient profile, which can help in boosting the immune system, managing blood sugar levels, and enhancing skin health. Their tart flavor can be a great addition to smoothies, desserts, or even as a part of savory dishes. Incorporating gooseberries into your daily diet can be an excellent step toward a healthier, more nutrient-rich lifestyle. By broadening our fruit horizons beyond the usual suspects, we not only diversify our palate, but also amplify our health manifold. Each of these fruits, with their unique profiles and health benefits, represents a piece of nature's puzzle to optimal health. It's time to give these fruits the spotlight they deserve in our daily diets. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Your support helps us create amazing content like this. Thank you.